Let's check this out. It's a little early. I thought it would take a lot longer, but it looks like I had some success with at least two of these. One of them is my Mirror app maple. And the other one is a surprise, and the other one is a cherry. So the cherries are from down the street, so I call them Fairhold cherries because that's where I kind of grew up. But yeah, we got lots of little roots in there. We're gonna open them up and find out what they are. And on this one here, there's one right, I can't see that really, but it's right there. You see that little white one there? So that's nice to see. So I might just stick these back in the fridge, but these ones are really sprouting, so we're gonna take them apart and see what's going on with them. And I hope those are those cherries. And we have a surprise because I forget what I put in there. Always label your stuff, folks. So you can see, look at all these sprouts. And these happen to be those Fairhold cherries. These little sprouts. We're gonna be very gentle with them. They're like little sprouts. You could probably eat them just the way they are. But we're gonna try and put them in some of these pots here because we wanna get them started. And then if I have to, I'll transport them to a better location, but they'll have to do for now. So let's get at that. Really all I'm gonna do is just poke my finger down in there, dig out a little hole, push it in there and fill it in. That's pretty much it for now, but I'll show you. All right, I went through the bag. There's like maybe 3 smaller ones that I'm just gonna let them keep stratifying and get them as many as I can. So I had 20. I just added another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 27 of these cherry trees. I call them Fairhold cherries because that's the road that I found them on as a kid. I have my humidifier here trying to get those finger grapes rocking, trying to get the roots on them. I also have more over here, obviously. So these are the ones I thought were grapes. I don't know how they ended up being like, it looks like almost like a jalapeno or a green pepper of some sort. So I'll just let them grow and then we'll throw them in the garden in the spring. And then the 6 down here, obviously there's 6 more right there. And some more grape seeds right here. So these are some more grape seeds using the paper towel in the sunlight. And we're hoping to get some roots in there. Make sure your seeds are nice and clean so you can avoid some of that mold. But that's pretty much where I'm at right now for propagating. Always be propagating. You need as many trees as you can get. Now, I ran out of pots here. So what I'll do is I'll transfer these up to the farm, some of them, and I'll bring back some other ones. And what I also have in the fridge that is starting to stratify is my plum cot. They call it a plum cot or a plucot. It's just a cross between a plum and an apricot. And they were really tasty, so I threw them in the fridge to see if I could do it. And this goes to show you that you can take fruit right from the grocery store and turn it into a tree. Okay, welcome to the Hamilton Library. We're in Hamilton right now, downtown, and we're gonna go check out CD Saturday. There's all kinds of vendors in here today. Holy moly. Thousands and thousands of seeds to be swapped and sold and given away. Holy moly. So let's go take a look and see what we can find. So this here is the seed swap, and over here they are allowing you to take free seeds. So I've gotten my hands on a whole bunch of free seeds for wildflowers, vegetables, perennials, fruits. And let's keep going. Seeds, seeds, and more seeds. Here and check out this haul I got. So many seeds, I don't know what to do. Most of them are wildflowers and or native flowers. And there's a few, I even got a bulb of garlic that grows here at Dundurn Castle. And a few swag items. And some vegetables and stuff like that, but not many. Mostly just flowers, but that's what I did today. And my girlfriend came to enjoy this day with me, and it's a nice day out. It's a little cold. All right, so I've been checking out my stratification. As you know, I've been showing you some of these what I call Fairholt cherries. This is the road that I used to live on. So we were collecting them. Now I had planted a couple of the extras that I had going. They're a little bit small here, here, and here, maybe over here. And there's one space left over here. But you're looking at what, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22. And then over here, 24, 26, 28. So there's some more over here as well. And this is my pepper plant, which I thought was my grape seeds. And I think I've already showed this, that I'm using 3 different ways of trying to propagate those long finger grapes. One in the paper towel in the sunlight. The other one is using my hydrator. And the other one is putting it into the fridge to stratify in soil. So I just used the old soil that I used for the cherries, repacked it, put it back in. And I'll be checking on them frequently to make sure there's enough water in it. Yeah, just came back from the, excuse me, the seedy Saturday they call it, in the Hamilton Library. And right here you can see these are just to go to prove to you that, you know, you can grow stuff right from the grocery store. These are plum cots, so it's a cross between a plum and an apricot. And I have 2 out of, I don't know, maybe 6, and I'm just gonna repackage the other ones and put them right back in the fridge. But for now, we're gonna get these in the pots, because the more plants we get growing, the more plants we can plant outside, and that's what we're gonna do. So let's get these in pots, and then I'll show you the rest of it. All right, so this one here's a plum cot. That's a plum cot. It is labeled, and that's pretty much it for that. So like I said, always be propagating. It's important. This is my cranberry here. It's always doing well. It needs a lot of water. That's all you need to know about cranberries, is they need a ton of water. So that's about it.